You see it? Bruh, got the new Guggen Baits, Guggen Squad dart. And you heard it here first, G. This the 5-inch dart, electric shad, Guggen Squad fluke. Oh, yo. Don't worry, I'm putting it on the water, and you best believe this is a PB bait. A PB bait. So get ready, cause we getting into it right now. Yo, so I was fishing with the Guggen darts. First thing when I got there, cause I had that PB energy, and they just weren't biting for me. So I switched over to the War Pig, and instantly got a bite. Right first cast, and I was like, man, they're biting it, so I'm just gonna keep on. Oh, not in the tree. Whew. Almost went into the bank. Oh, yo, that's one. Oh, I had a fish on, bro. I had a fish on. No, man, yo, I seen the line moving around, bro. How he break me off like that, yo? That's crazy, yo. I just switched to this natural color War Pig. It's kind of like a minnow color. That's crazy. I thought it was hung up. Then I seen it twitching. How he break me off? Oh, you seen that? Ah. Oh, it's showtime now, baby. Yo, why he jump out the water like that, though? I must have ripped his face off. Yeah. First cast on that War Pig, man. That's crazy. Shoot. Well, that get the blood pumping a little bit. Yeah. Bro, I'm still stuck on that. I can't believe that. Yeah, we almost went back to back on them, doubled up. They over next to that fall down though. That fall down right there. I'm just scared to throw over there, I'll get stuck. What you throwing? Yo, that joint. Yo, you fish here during spawn? Where they be bedding at, mostly?
In that pond right there, they be over there in that field, that grassy field area. It's a shallow spot. You think they're on spawn already?
Nah, but they might be moving up. Just to, they not on spawn, they not on beds, but they might be moving up just to feed on that spot, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, let's go over there then. I know for sure they be over there.
Alright. Yeah, they might be moving up towards that way to get, you know what I'm saying, clean up shop.
All over there.
Oh yeah. I'm mad at that. I need redemption off of that fish. And then this, like, pretty much every time I've been on it, been pretty unique. You know what I'm saying? Hey yo, I can't believe I'm still stuck on the how we almost doubled up earlier, man.
I know.
You gotta stiff arm that fish, boy. You gotta stiff arm that fish, boy. When he bite, you gotta be like, if you try to yoke on that,
Especially when you go to set the hooks, you have to watch it.
yeah, that's what I'm talking about. You gonna have to be like, ugh. He gonna rip your arm off.
What?
I just ran something over. No.
Got one.
Oh, no way. No way, bro.
So nice one. Hold it. It's a nice one.
Oh.
It's a nice one, man.
No way. He's pulling drag, bro.
Yeah, it's a nice one. Oh, go on with your boat. Yeah, he's nice one, bro. Nice one.
Oh. He's pulling drag, bro.
Come on, get him.
Oh. Yo. Stop it. Yo.
Yes, sir. What's that, 6 cents?
Nah, that's Berkeley War Pig.
Berkeley War Pig, bro. Monster, bro. I told y'all to put
Come
you on the
on,
fish,
bro. Chill out. Hold that. This could be my P. Is a possibility.
See what you got.
Yeah.
Big Lemon TV, baby.
Yes, sir.
That's about 4.5, 5 pounds ago. It might be bigger. It's just full of roe right now. See how fat the belly is? Might be 5.5 pounds.
Yo, I gotta.
Big Lemon TV, baby.
Oh, that's my new PB.
What is it? 6.
6 pounds on the nose, bro.
Yeah.
Give me another picture of that joker, bro. Hey, look. Hey, yo. That's my new PB, yo. That's 6 pounds on the nose. Yeah. That's a new 6, boy. Gosh. Hey, we was hunting for him on it. Hey.
Told you they in here.
We was hunting for him on it. Yo, my arm is burnt. Hey, get a release on that thing.
Yeah.
Let's go. That's what's up, yo. Sheesh. It was crazy because, like, we was just casually casting them joints, bro.
Bro, you home, bro. You gotta get that baby back. We gotta have that.
Oh, it's right there.
We got to have that one.
I ain't even lying to you, bro. I ain't never had a war pig The lipless cranks, they supposed to be like winter to spring. They a cold water bait. I was kind of yo-yoing it slow. And I just caught my PB on that bitch.
Yeah.
3 hours, bro. And 3 hours and some change. I mean, we got out here a solid 3 hours, bro. We was fishing we was getting skunked out for 3 hours, bro. I just want everybody to know. we came out here too deep on a kayak. Hey, look. It's gonna be a little while before I probably beat that one, unless I beat him on this cat. This cat's right here in this daggone trophy pond. Shout out to my boy Colin over here with the trophy pond. Oh, I told y'all, bro, what I say. I called it. In God's will, all praise be to the Most High. At all times, stay true to yourself, bro, because I called it. I said I was gonna get on a PB. I didn't get on the PB with the Guggen darts, but still got on a PB with the War Pig, man, the Berkeley lipless. I can't tell y'all everything, man. You saw it for yourself. That was super dope. Caught him like a couple hours ago and I'm still jacked, man, but it's all good. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Comment down below what your PB largemouth bass is, man. And cheers to catching more in the future, bro. Always stay true to yourself, bro. Every cast can be a PB on. You know what I'm saying? But hey, I ain't gonna hold y'all up no more, man. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.